I'm called Annick Mbabajende and I'm going to give a presentation on three terms, which are exchange rate, trade barriers, as well as resources. Welcome to my presentation. Starting by exchange rate, according to Investopedia ND, exchange rate is the price of a nation's currency in terms of another currency. For example, the price of US dollar current United States currency in terms of French currency is 5.55 euro of France, and the price of United States currency in Indian currency is 64 Indian rupee. And another example is the price of United States currency in terms of China's currency is 6.6 Chinese yuan. The effect of exchange rate on global business, according to Petinga 2017, the first effect is that a depreciation makes exports cheaper and exporting firms benefit from it. Another effect is that on the other side of farms importing, raw materials face higher costs of imports, and an appreciation makes export more expensive and reduces the competitiveness of exporting farms. The potential benefit to Acme Widget Company is that comparing the United States currency with the other currency, French currency, Indian currency, as well as Chinese currency, we find that United States dollar is higher. For example, as you can see in $1 of United States currency is 5.55. So this is a benefit to Acme Widget Company, since it will affect the imports. So the imports will be they will benefit from the imports. Moving on, the second term, which is trade barrier. According to Business Dictionary, trade barriers are restrictions that the government imposes on international trade in order to make imported goods or services less competitive than locally produced goods and services. This also has different impacts, and they make imported goods less competitive to the local production, as well as due to more taxes which are imposed to those imports. It makes the product expensive and hence less likely to be purchased. So the potential risk of this trade barrier is that the Acme Widget Company will be imposed different tariffs or taxes, which will impact the prices of their products, and it will impact the way people will buy their products. Moving on, the third term, which is resources. According to Business Dictionary ND, resources are the productive factors required to accomplish an activity or means to undertake an enterprise and achieve desired outcomes. They include land, labor, capital, energy, skills, and technology. The impact of resources is that with resources, a company can be able to produce and be successful at their product. For example, if they have enough skills, enough labor with different skills, it can help a company to produce, to make the production and to be more creative and innovative. So the potential risk or benefit of resources is that Acme Widget Company, in case it has more labor or different resources, it can help in achieving its goals in terms of making more money with using little resources. Thank you for watching.